What's the meaning of Armagnac? Armagnac. Armagnac.
Armagnac. Armagnac. Armagnac is a type of brandy produced in the Armagnac region of Gascony, southwestern France. It is distilled from wine made from a blend of white grapes, including Bacco 22A, Colombard, and Ugni Blanc. After distillation, it is aged in oak barrels for a minimum of 2 years, though the highest quality Armagnacs are aged for much longer. The resulting spirit is characterized by its complex aromas and flavors, including notes of fruit, vanilla, and spice. It is often enjoyed as an after-dinner digestive or used in cooking to add depth and complexity to dishes.